Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Hami and I'm making these yoga videos to help you bring your full body flexibility back. And the video today, we will stretch the sides of your body and therefore bring more mobility to your own spine. So let's start the class standing in Tadasana, the mountain pose, with your feet parallel to each other. Stand up straight. You can put your hands in front of your heart. Or you can put one hand on your chest and the other hand on your belly. Close your eyes. We start the class with 5 long breaths. Use this time to bring back your attention. Bring your awareness inside your body. And feel your body parts. Just think of your body and where it is in the space right now. Feel the shape that your body is making. And you don't have to think of anything else. Feel how when you inhale, you're filling up your whole lungs with air. And feel when you exhale, you relax your face, drop your shoulders, and feeling so relaxing. Try to maintain this long, deep and calm breath. Maintain this calm face throughout the yoga class and throughout the rest of the day. Slowly open your eyes, bring your arms to your side. Inhale, bring your arms over your head. Give yourself a big stretch. And exhale, hold your hands onto your hips. Let's warm up your whole spine with cat and cow movement. Inhale, arc through your spine. Bring your elbows closer toward each other beside you. And exhale, become rounded. Bring your elbows closer in front of you. 2 more times like that. Inhale, cow pose. And exhale, cat pose. One last time, inhale. And exhale. Now let's bring your arms over your head as you inhale. And use your right hand to hold into your left wrist. Bring your whole upper body toward the right side into a side bend. Take a deep inhale and feel the left side of you stretching. And exhale, lock your belly button in toward your spine. Now let's add the cat and cow movement into this pose. Inhale, arc through your spine, raising your chest up toward the sky. And exhale, become rounded. Bring your chest and your face toward the floor. 2 more times like that. Inhale. And exhale. One last time. Inhale. Arc through your spine like the cow pose. And exhale. Become rounded like the cat pose. Slowly get out of this. Bring your arms over your head. And then this time use your left hand to hold your right wrist. And side bending toward the left. One breath here to stabilize your standing position. And then inhale, add the cow pose into this pose. Exhale, rounded like the cat pose. Stand very firmly on your 2 feet. Inhale, turn your chest up toward the sky. And exhale, turn your chest down toward the floor. And one last time, inhale. And exhale. Slowly stand up, bring your arms over your head again. Inhale. And then exhale, bring your arms down, hold your hands at your hips, step your right foot toward the right side of your mat. Pointing your toes forward and step the left foot back into a warrior 2 position. Bend your front knee and open your front thigh bone out so that it's working a lot on your glute. Hug your belly in, bring your arms to your side. One breath here, inhale. And then exhale. Let's bring your arms over your head and use your left hand to hold your right wrist. Pull it a lot toward the left side for reverse warrior. One breath here, inhale. And long exhale, stretching the right side of your body. Keep pulling your right arm toward the left side. And then inhale, let's go back to Warrior Two. Exhale, right hand down to the floor, left hand up to the sky. Let's turn your top hand back and bring it down. And your bottom hand go from underneath your thighs. Maybe you can catch your hands. And then inhale, do the cow pose action, arc through your spine. Try to bring your chest to face up the sky. One breath here to really stretch the side of your body and open your chest really big. Release your hand and stand up. This time straighten both of your legs. Inhale. And exhale, use your left hand to hold your right wrist and pull it toward the left side for reverse triangle pose. Inhale, bring your arms to the side. And exhale, push your hips back as you bring your right hand on your own ankle or on the floor. Now the top arm, let's open it in front of you and then over your head so that you have your whole arms over your ear right now. And keep reaching your left hand down toward the toes on the floor. This gives you a huge stretch on your left side. Let's stay here for one breath and enjoy this stretch. Inhale as deeply as you can. And exhale, reaching your hand even further toward your toes. Then bring the whole hands down to the floor. Raise your back heel up. Bend your front knee. And we stand up into high lunge. Bring your arms over your head. Inhale. And as you exhale, hold your right hand on your left wrist and pull it toward the right side. One breath here. Inhale, stretching through your left. And exhale, hug your belly in. Slowly get out of here. And bring your hands down to the floor. This time, let's turn your whole body toward the right side. So have your left hand firmly on the ground. Point all your 10 toes toward the right. You can move your front foot back a little bit. And then bring your right hand up to the sky. Bring your right arm over your ear as if it really want to touch the floor. And feel the big side stretch on your right side this time. One breath here. Inhale, lift your hips up higher. And exhale, reaching your hand even further toward the ground. And bring your hand down to the floor and step your front foot back for plank pose. From plank, bring your knees and your whole body down to the floor. Inhale, go to cobra pose. And exhale, tuck your toes. Go all the way up for downward facing dog. Inhale, bring your right leg up toward the sky and open your hips toward the right side. Let's bring the whole right foot down to the floor behind you. Stand firmly on 2 of your feet and bring your right arm up. Turn the whole chest and hips up toward the sky for a wide thing. And feel how your right hand is trying to catch your left wrist. Inhale for such a big stretch on your right. And exhale, slowly bring your right hand back and step your right foot toward the right hand position. Walk both of your hands toward the left side of your mat. And point your toes to the same direction for a wide leg forward bend. Inhale for halfway up. And exhale, forward bend. Let's use your left hand to hold your right ankle. Bend your left elbow and bring your right arm over your head for a big twist. Stay for one breath. Keep pulling with your left arm and keep reaching with your right arm. Slowly get out of here. Inhale. And exhale, let's change side. Bring your right hand to hold into your left ankle. Bend the right elbow. Walk your left arm over your head. Stay here for one breath. Keep pulling with your right arm and reaching with your left arm. And slowly come back. Bring your hands underneath your chest. This time, point your toes out. Your feet now look like a letter V position. And open your thigh bones so that your thigh bones will be going the same direction as your feet. And stand up. Actually, your feet will go to the same direction as your thigh bone in this goddess pose. Stand up straight and feel how your shoulders stacking right on the top of your hips. Keep opening your thighs to your side. Inhale, bring your arms over your head. And exhale, bring your left arm underneath and right arm toward the left side. Inhale, stand up straight, arms over your head. And exhale, side bending, bring your left arm toward your right. Slowly stand up as you inhale. Point your toes to the same direction. And this time, bring your left foot, pointing it toward the left side as you bend your front knee for this warrior two position. Arms to your side, one breath here. And now let's bring your arms over your head as you inhale. Use your right hand to hold into your left wrist and pull it toward the right side. One breath here to feel the stretch happening on your left. And then inhale, bring your arms to the side for warrior two. Exhale, left hand down to the floor, right hand up to the sky. Side angle pose. Let's add the bounding position. Bring your top hand back and down behind you, and the bottom hand go underneath. Maybe you can catch your hands together, maybe not, but keep opening your chest and do it like a cow pose. You really want to bring your chest to face the sky. And one breath here. And slowly release your hands and stand up with your legs straight. Take a deep inhale. And exhale, hold your right hand on your left wrist, reverse triangle pose. Next time you inhale, arms to your side. And exhale, push your hips back, reaching your whole body forward. Left hand on your own ankle or on the floor, and right arm over your ear. Now let's keep pointing your right hand down toward your toes as if your hand really want to catch your toes. And here it doesn't matter how tight you may feel now. You can even bend your front knee. Stay here for one breath to feel the big stretch happening on your right side. And then you can bring both hands down to the floor, bend your front knee and raise your back heel up for high lunge pose. Stand up with your front knee bent and your back heels raising up. Inhale, bring your arms over your head in high lunge. And exhale, use your left hand to hold your right wrist and pull yourself toward the left side. Whoops. Try to stay balanced for one breath. And slowly come up, inhale. And exhale, bring your hands down to the floor. Have your right hand pressing down to the ground very firmly. And start turning your whole body to the left. Point all your toes toward the left, and you may walk your front foot back a little bit. Lift your left hand off the floor for this side plank variation. Bring your left arm over your head as if you want to touch your hand down to the other hand. Take one deep inhale and feel how it's stretching you not only on the side of your belly, but also on the side of your left hip too. Then bring your left hand down to the floor and step your left foot back for plank pose. Inhale, exhale, knees and the rest of your body on the floor. Inhale for cobra pose. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, let's bring your left leg up to the sky, open your whole hips to the left side and bend your knee. And then bring the whole left foot down to the floor behind you. Place your feet firmly on the ground so that you can bring your left arm over your head. Keep reaching your left hand as if it wants to catch your right wrist. Inhale deeply to feel the stretch happening on the front and the left side of your body. And slowly bring your left hand back parallel to the right hand, and then left foot toward your left hand. Walk both of your hands toward the side. Point your toes to the same direction. Right leg forward bend. Inhale halfway up. And exhale forward bend. And again the twist. Use your left hand to hold your right ankle. Bend your left elbow and walk your right arm over your head. Stay here for one breath. Keep pulling, bending your elbow on the left arm and keep reaching for the right arm. Slowly get out of here. Inhale. And exhale. Let's do the same. Right hand holding your left ankle and left hand over your head. One very deep, long breath. Then slowly walk your hands back. Now let's bring your heels in and then sit down toward the floor completely. Let's sit with your right leg straight and your left knee bent. We're going to do Savasana, the side and twist variation. Point your toes toward the sky and make sure your kneecap is facing up. Inhale, bring your arms over your head. And then at the side bend, by bring your whole body toward the right. You can bring your right arm down. At the twist, by turn your whole chest up to the sky. It's like your chest really don't want to face your leg. Stay here for 3 breaths. Every time you inhale, you will feel it stretching you so much on your left. And it stretches right into the QR muscles on your low back, which is often very tight and bring back pain and discomfort to many people. Keep reaching your arm over your head, but keep turning your chest to the opposite direction as your leg. And then inhale, let's raise yourself up. A counter pose. Bring your right hand on your left knee and left hand behind you. Look all the way back for 3 breaths. Twist your spine. Slowly come back to the center and then change leg. So now you can bend your right knee and straighten your left knee. Point your left toes up to the sky and the left kneecap is facing up too. Inhale, arms over your head. And exhale, side bending to the left. Bring your left arm down and then turn your chest toward the right. Stay here for 3 breaths. And keep reaching your arms so that you feel more and more of that stretching sensation on your right body. Slowly come up from here. Inhale, arms over your head. And then the counter twist. Left hand on your right knee, right hand behind you. Look all the way back so that you can stretch thoroughly from your lower back through your upper back, through your neck. Then eventually get out of this pose. Bring your legs toward each other. Inhale, arms over your head. Sit up straight. And exhale, bring your hands down to hold on your knees. Close your eyes and stay here for 5 breaths. After the class, you may feel warm up. You may feel that your heart is beating faster and your breath is shorter and faster too. The next time you exhale, relax your face and tell your whole body to calm down. And as you inhale, enjoy all the new space that we unlock on our body today after all the stretches. Then you can slowly open your eyes. If you want to, you can lay down and enjoy Savasana. But I'm going to end the class now. Thank you very much. Namaste.